It takes a lot of fuel to fuel the beast. We have Tracy Ford's F-450 Midnight Reserve Edition. This is a beast. We decided to film this beast of a truck for Tracy Ford back here at the truck shop where beasts of trucks belong. For reference, because I know you're going to want to know what this truck's all about, stock number NEC 41376.
Neal, if this is a beast of a truck, why are you wearing that? Come on, you got to up your outfit just a little bit.
I got the 12 lows on. I mean, what else you want from me, man?
This is a beast. You just ain't, I'm just not feeling it right now.
Beast. I know who else is a beast. Jesse's calling me out. Jesse, I know who a beast is, and you're all right. Jesse always keeps me in check, y'all. He's 100% right. I got to get right, y'all. I got to get right for this here. They're ready for the beast. Let's go, boys. Rambo, you know he's a beast too. Let's review. What now, Jesse? What?
We got to review it. We got to review.
Did we get the beast right? Are we good?
The beast right. The beast is out.
And my man is back. Let's get it. Tracy Ford from Madison County. He's a Madison County Red Raider. You know, that was my rival back in the day at Stevens County High School. We had a lot of epic battles with those Madison County Red Raiders, y'all. Madison County, we got a truck for you. This sucker's gonna be riding through. Ooh, in Danielsville too. What y'all know? F-450 2022. Ooh! Hey, so Tracy said, me and Tracy, we got that vibe now. We know what's going on, and I love that customer connection. We just feel like we're on the same wavelength. And I cannot wait till he sees this beautiful truck on Friday, y'all. We have complete midnight action. So up front, let's start here, Jesse. We had chrome grille, chrome headlight. You get the theme here. Emblems, side badges, mirror caps, door handles, applique. I mean,
just too much.
Too much everywhere, and that just wasn't the vibe that Tracy or I wanted. We wanted the beast, y'all. I gotta get the gym because I'm not on the level, y'all. I mean, look, Rambo, he's on the level. I gotta get to the Y more. Me and Jesse we gotta pump some iron because we gotta get. Hey, you know, we gotta get the we gotta get the dip, baby. We gotta get the dip machine, baby. Ooh, I gotta get right for the beast, y'all. We gotta get right for the beast. Man, if you see this truck coming down the road, just like move over, get out of the way. This thing is so substantial and strong. Like, what's important to me is variations. I don't want to do the same stuff over and over again. In the mind, the beast, and it is here, y'all. Big road armor bumper. Let's state the obvious here, how big and bold and substantial this bumper is. Show them, Jesse. I mean, that thing right there just means business. So that's beefy. That's beefy. Complete replacement down below, and this protrudes out so much. You've got great clearance in between your grille application area there. Rigid lights inside the grille, rigid 30-inch light bar on top, a worn 12,000 pound winch there, looking so legit, beefy and tough and substantial. We did rigid cubes here too, and we think about the process of, we did the street legal SAE approved. Here says a functional fog light, because if you replace the bumper and do off-road lights, you don't have a legal fog light. So definitely we think about every detail, y'all. And Spencer was the salesperson that sold this, took great care of Tracy throughout the whole process. He actually ordered this truck a while ago. We were waiting on parts a while ago. So this truck has come to fruition over a year time period, y'all. So if you're wondering how we're getting these trucks, it's not like we're getting them like we used to. It takes a process. So if you hang out with us and stick with us, Jesse and I, we can do you something that's so unique and rare, but you gotta hang in there, y'all. You gotta hang in there and trust in us. But essentially up front, we wanted a beast of an overall appearance. Get out of our way. Inside these headlights, this was completely chrome and amber, did a full blackout throughout there. And one thing, you know, to have a beast of a truck, you can't be rolling on 37s, okay? And you can't be rolling on 20s or 17s or whatever. I'm down with all that, but 24. What you know about the 24s? I mean, just something about the wheel and tire combo makes all the difference. We got the American Force Pulse wheel there in 24-inch. Did him a satin black American Force logo there. That comes chrome, so even customizing the customize, what you know, looking so amazing on 38s. You know, the wifey's 38, and we let roll with 38s as much as possible. I'm gonna be 38 coming up soon, so real deal is all about the 38s, okay? 37 is so last year, all right? 38. And everybody was like, you're not gonna fit 38s on a 4.5-inch lift. It's just not gonna work. It's not gonna look good.
Just a bunch of haters.
What you know? We got 38s, y'all. The 38 special, which I know my man's gonna be strapped. So Tracy, I would recommend toting a 38 in the truck. You know what I mean? Because you're on 38s, 38 special. That's what I roll with. Side y'all, a gate black on the mirror cap, a gate black on the side teardrop badge, a gate black here. Let the texture to flow with our front. We could have removed the texture and painted that, but you're talking about mucho dinero, and then it's just not going to flow. So it's all got to flow. The money doesn't matter, okay? It's got to flow. If it doesn't work, you can throw a bunch of paint to a truck. If it don't work, it don't work. You just wasted money, okay? So here we go. Texture, gloss, texture. Ooh, down through. Chrome to agate black, down through. Black toolbox, fuel cell as well, rolling through. What about a 24 deep dish, okay? What you know about it, y'all? Trail grapplers at that. We could not have a beast of a truck on ridge grapplers, okay? Ridge grapplers on this, you could have just chopped me up. But we got true mud-terrain tire on 38 and 24, 4.5 inches. We're not too tall, we're just right. We got the air ride airbags in the back as well. And we are on, I forgot to tell you all, the Icon 4.5-inch kit with Icon 2.0 gas charge shocks all the way around. We've got a dual steering stabilizer up front also. Coming to the tail lights, you can see the light emitting just perfectly over a light smoke on the exterior. It did a body color over your blind spot monitor. So this is a continuation of the applique all the way through the applique into the tail light. So that's game changing all the way through. If you just do a light smoke on that tail light without doing the detail, it's gonna look okay, but we're all about the next level up. So applique, agate black, a true midnight with satin and agate black. And again, a road armor, do not back into me, rear bumper, y'all. With rigid lights out back, reverse lights here as well. Also hit the Putco light bar that does reverse and turn signal as well. Love that overall feature. Mag high-tech diff covers. It wouldn't be a complete Midnight Defender Reserve Edition without being complete. So we did Mag high-tech front and rear diff covers out back, and looking amazing, y'all. That's so substantial. And just the truck, even going up just 4.5 inches, that rear diff cover especially is like an aluminum finish. Does not look premium. It's real gaudy, especially on a true midnight. So Mag high-tech diff covers is the only way to go. Did a 7-year ceramic coat and paint protection film because black is so hard to keep clean, y'all. And Tracy, he works a lot, so we don't want him worrying about protecting his vehicle. We want him to ride and drive out of here and just stroke it and represent for Wild Willie. So nice ceramic coat all the way around, paint protection film in all the high traffic problematic areas. We wrapped this portion here and your running board portion that was chrome to black as well. Even on the inside, Tracy did not like, and me either, how right here there's like a textured non-premium gray, and then there's chrome and gray all throughout your center console. So hooked them up, my man, with black throughout the whole interior components to where it's just got that subtlety and that difference that nobody else is doing, y'all. Wild Willies at Akins. This is a great shot right here, y'all. A very, very boastful and substantial truck. Our mile to wild scale out in the back, we're sticking out a good 6-7 inches out back. We're line to line. So We wild, y'all. On the mild to wild scale, this being mild and this being wild, we're ding, 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 ding. We are over here, very substantial. We're bossed up, y'all. What you think about it? Tracy has more additions. We got to add WeatherTech floor mats, spike lug nuts, and a few other surprises coming soon. So stay tuned for more on this one. This is going to be a one for the ages, and Tracy Ford, a great customer, and his wife as well. So one more little quick walk around just to show you the truck, especially if you get tired of me blabbing and are here just for the truck. Take a look at all the glory of the black on black Midnight. Some certain things, if you've been following my channel, you probably have seen a lot of the trucks that come from the manufacturer are rusted up in certain areas. So look at the rear drive shaft. You see, we actually painted it, y'all. So there's places on these trucks that are rusted up, and anytime we get to customize them, we know that's coming from the factory, from manufacturing, from Michigan, etc. But if we have opportunity to clean something like that up, we're not just gonna look at it and say, well, we didn't do that. We're gonna take care of it to make sure that our customers are taken care of. That's the Akins and Why Willies difference. For Real Deal Neal and for Rambo and for The Beast and for Jesse Cash, it's time to say goodbye, y'all. But we're not going anywhere. We're gonna be coming back soon. And if you wanna buy a vehicle,
you gotta call me.
There's your guy.
You gotta call me.
Peace out, y'all.